How to fix Roblox kicking you out. So the first thing that we need to do is close all applications. If you have Roblox open, just exit out of it. And then we will go to settings. Now from the settings here, we want to search for storage. And click on the storage here in the general tab. Now find your Roblox as we have it right here. And the thing that we want to do is click on offload app. This will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling will place back your data if the app is available in the App Store. So click on offload app, then just confirm it and start your Roblox, and hopefully this will no longer kick you out. It will no longer kick you out. And another thing you can do is actually restart your phone, tablet, or whatever device you may be using. So just restart it and you should be good to go. Leave a like and sub if this worked, and I'll see you next time.